Well, here is yet another weird TV joystick controller thingy, and this has come to pieces. I don't know whether it works, but unusually this one has a connector on it, and for some of the games I've got, the connector looks suspiciously like a Famicom card. These are the innards of that. So let's see whether that works anyway. Hopefully it will have some built-in games. I have no idea whether this works, so it's the first time I've powered it up. I mean, I've got to glue that on because that's a bit crap. So where's the thingy? Okay, well there's a green light that comes on. That's handy. Oh, that looks good. All right. Don't know how you move. Oh, that goes page. Oh God, it keeps coming off. So I can page right with the joystick, but nothing else seems to work. I think the joystick is disintegrated. That clicks. That doesn't do anything. Oh God, sounds bad. A reset. Reset. Does that do anything? No. Start does something. Okay, so let me show you that. Super Racing. Start that. Wow, cool. So I'll be able to go right, but I can't do anything else. Okay. That's pretty cool though. That works. All right, so I need to look at this joystick. There's definitely something to fix in here because it's not well. So it does 4 AA's, or there's a 9-volt power supply option, and there's the ubiquitous 9-pin D external joystick port for 2-player, which is actually quite cool. It's not bad. I mean, if it does work with a Famicom cartridge, that is actually quite cool. So what I am going to have to do is split this. That's a bugger, but it's the only way I'm going to be able to fix it. I need to separate the shell. Yeah, that's a shame. The stickers are going to have to come off. I think it's also clipped on. It might just, yeah, you can see the label straining. I don't think I'm going to be able to take this label off in the way where I can easily get it back on there. It's just gonna tear. Oh, I don't like doing this, but yeah, it is that. Okay. Whoa. So all the micro switches have jumped out. Yeah, that's not happy. What the hell happened there? So those are all the micro switches. I wonder what happened. Did it pop out for some reason? I think that clips inside there, and somehow maybe it's been dropped and it's jumped out. There's little dimples. Ah, no, there is some damage. Look, that one's come off. It's supposed to locate. There's little pins somewhere. Oh, maybe they're actually in there. Yeah. Ah, that's interesting. Look, they actually do locate in there. Yeah. You see? Can you see that? So they locate there, and there's also secondary pins there. One of them's broken off, but it might not be too bad an issue. Make sure that these are clear, and these clips go in over the top. So I wonder why that jumped. does seem to be kind of working. I notice this circlet here seems a bit out, seems to have jumped a bit. Maybe whatever tore the top of the knob off affected it somehow. Not quite right, looks like it's jumped. There we go. Blimey, that was really quite vicious. So there's a spring there which centres it again. Oh, damn. Power leads come off. Yeah, I guess it's probably, I've got new ones. Oh, I've got new ones. Yes. I don't know whether that's going to like it or not. Okay, now I've got to carefully put this back. What was that? Oh, it's a spudger. So that the spring, I have to tear that label. Oh, I don't like that. It's the only way I can really do it. Does that power supply look right now? Yeah, got a green light. So I think the spring, yeah, the spring actually goes over that collar there. It's got a mate inside. Okay. Well, there's now clicky on all axes, which is good. Let's see whether it kind of works. Oh, left and right works. Well, left and right goes. Hang on, look. So left and right goes up and down. So have I put it back? Have I put it on wrong? So that's, well, no, down is page down. Okay, and so up and down is page up, page down. Oh, I suppose that is right. Well, I'll tell you what, if we go to that racing again, let's just do that. Let's start that. We'll quickly see, because you can move the car around. There you go. Oops. A to start. No. Up and down is left and right. Bugger. Right, so I'm going to have to I'm having to redo it all. So basically I figured out the yellow is vertical and the red is, by process of elimination, is going to be the horizontal. Now I've got to figure out what's what. I think it all collapsed and was kind of put back together but didn't quite work. I'm not sure. So let me screw this back in. I don't want this to move. I thought I could just rotate the whole thing, but the leads aren't long enough for that. So let's just put this back. Okay. Right. So if it's that way round, then that one goes, that's down, that's actually up. So that needs to go, that one is definitely up, which is why it's reversed. So if I put a U on there, and then up, and that's a D on that one for down. That's got to go there. Okay, this may or may not work. So what I've got to do, need this cable tie through here. It's not very pretty, but I think that'll work. I think that will stop it lifting from there. Whew. Okay. Nice. Cool. Actually, that feels right now. It does make a few weird noises, this joystick, but it's kind of made with bits of plastic. It's not a particularly amazing thing, but that does work. Great. That's really cool. The thing is, are there any good games on here? Probably not. They've all got alternative names. Galaxy Wall. Oh yeah, that is cool. Let's have a go at that. I mean, you know, no video is complete without you laughing at my gameplay. Tell you what, it's really painful on the hand because there's no top to that joystick. This is awful. It's pretty bad, man. What? Oh, you can go backwards. Wow, you can got reversing spaceships. Whoa, it's making horrible crunchy noises. Oh, crunch. I think the reset button's not working. Oh, start is pause. Select, no. Reset doesn't actually do anything. Maybe that's another button that's broken. Or it is a bit spongy on the top. But you know what? You just turn it off and on again. Right. I'm going to glue my knob back on to misses, and then I think we're done. It does need some serious TLC. I mean, now it's just totally ruined. But at least it works, I suppose. Yeah, it needs a serious clean up. So I'm gonna clean the thing up, screw the knob back on, and we'll call it a day, I think. What the hell do I need another one for? I just don't know. Anyway, you know what I'm like. Right, that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Cheers.